Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my Happy Halloween layered card. Isn't that scene really amazing? There's the witches and bats floating at the top, that black cat sitting on top of a pile of jack-o'-lanterns. It's just a really fun scene. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. Now this card does have some intricate cuts, especially that top layer, so make sure to watch the video to the end and I will share with you some tips to help you get the best cut possible. Let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2023. If you'd like to purchase the individual cut file for this project, you can head to my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. This project is also available with the VIP Access Pass. With the VIP Access Pass, you get access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. For more information on the VIP Access Pass, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2023. I have both links listed in the video description. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have a few things that we need to do as far as score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score lines, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. You'll see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is layer up our front cover panel. I'll speed up the video just a little bit and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. And there is our front cover panel. So cool. Set that to the side for a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Set that to the side. We can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up that card base. We can attach our messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close up the card. And now we can add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And there is our cool card. Now let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add our glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Isn't this card so cool? I love how that scene comes together, and it really, really is a great looking front cover panel. Now, I mentioned that I was going to share with you some of my tips to make sure that you get the best cut possible. The cardstock weight that I used for the top layer is 65 pounds. I made sure that the cardstock was well adhered by using my brayer. My mat was clean, but it was not brand new, so it wasn't super sticky, but it had enough tack to really hold that cardstock in place. I made sure that my blade was nice and clean, and I also used more pressure. One thing that I would say when you're removing the cardstock from your mat is to roll the mat away from the cardstock rather than pulling the cardstock off of the mat. This will help ensure that all of those little bits and pieces don't get ripped in the process. If you have any issues, you can certainly let me know and I will help you the best that I can. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through our Facebook group or through email, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye!